Hello everyone, we're back with another video today. For today we're just going to be opening up my boxes. Mainly because we may not have reached the 10 like goal, but we do have like 6 mega boxes and all these boxes down here. And at the same time, we did reach 150 subscribers, so yeah, why not? So let's get started. Okay, let's lower the volume because I can hear all of this. So this might take a while. Oh, lag. Actually, let's start with the mega boxes. Yeah. Okay, we didn't get anything. There's not 6 there. Okay, another one. Okay. Sadly, nothing here. 6! So we could get star power or a new brawler. Nice, we got Barley star power. That's pretty good. Okay, another mega box. Nothing here. Okay, and that's all those mega boxes. How about the one that we earned? Oh, okay, we didn't get anything out of it. I mean, we did technically get stuff out of it, but we didn't get, like, a brawler or anything. Okay, now let's open up our boxes. This is gonna take a while. Okay, okay. There you go. I hate it when it starts lagging while you're opening boxes. Okay, I'm sorry guys if it takes so long time, but we might as well see what we can get here. I'm really hoping we at least get some sort of brawler, maybe. Uh-oh, it's a lag thing. There we go. What the happened? Get out of there. Okay. So we have 37 boxes left. We're almost halfway done. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, yeah, 30 boxes left. I'm kind of hoping we get at least something out of this. Hopefully. Oh, nice! We got Barley's other star power. That's pretty cool. Okay, continuing with this. Oh, lag. Okay, we have 12 boxes left. No, 13. Oh. Okay. 9 boxes. Sadly, we're almost done. Okay. The ball boxes. Well, now for the big boxes. Well, I don't think we're going to be able to get something out of this, guys, except for the star powers. That sucks. But, well, we're about to be finished with this. So, yeah. And we're done. Sadly, we only got star powers, but they can be very useful. So, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. And if you're new, go ahead and subscribe. Bye.